Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a retro zoom velocity effect in CapCut. So you can use this effect for your dance videos like this. And here what you need to do before adding the effect is add the videos and also the sound or the music. And after that, you can just go straight to here, click on the video and go to style. Click on the velocity tab and here you'll find the retro zoom velocity. So click on that and CapCut will detecting the music and applying the velocity. Just wait until it's done. So the retro zoom effect has been applied and the video will go like this. Now it will follow the beats. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.